Hi everyone, today we are going to lift our jowls and laugh lines with the help of the spoons. So first thing first is you're going to oil your face. And one more thing I want to share with you is that if you are looking for online classes, I have started my own face yoga workshops. You can register. I will put the link in the description box and check out that, and do make sure you are registered there. So I'm using Sesa Kumkumadi face oil. You can use whatever you like. You can take any spoon. I have two options here. I have this bigger spoon also, like this type of spoon you can take your normal spoon. The first thing first is, when we are talking about this part sagging, means your neck muscles are weak. So take your muscle, hold it like this, and with the end of the spoon you are going to, and don't keep it straight, get it little tilted as I'm sharing here, and you're gonna bring everything up. So now the second step is that you are going to focus under this bone here. If you see that most of the jowl, you will find it around this area too. And another thing is that lymph gets collected here around this area. So we're going to fix that with the help of the spoon. So we're going to hold here, and then you take your spoon like this and scrape. Bring everything down. Similarly on the other side. Now we're going to scrape above this bone. So you're going to take your spoon again, hold your chin here, and then with the help of the spoon, you can repeat 5 times. Then bring everything down. Similarly on the other side. We're gonna have a shower jawline. Next, we're gonna focus on this here, this muscle. So what you'll do is you'll hold your chin like this, and then take it towards your ear. On the other side. So take your spoon, pick everything up. Now you're going to take the same part up. We're trying to lift this. So Next move you're gonna do is you're gonna bring everything down from here where we generally tend to see the jowl. You're gonna pick everything and bring it till here. So start from the neck here. Bring everything up from here. Similarly on the other side. So as I promised, I'll also be sharing with you for laugh lines. So simple, easy. All you have to do is again hold your laugh line like this with the help of spoon. You're gonna take everything up. Similarly on the other side. So this is super easy 5-minute exercise that you can do 2 to 3 times in a day, and during the night time you can do when you feel that your face is like, even more gravitating towards the ground, and then lifting it up and then going to sleep, and in the morning you wake up with a refreshed face. So do let me know what do you think about it. If you have any questions, if there is any confusion, do let me know that, or if you want me to make a video on something else, that too. And do check out the form that I have for online classes. I'll see you there. Bye.